Well, I'm on the wrong floor. It says floor 18 right here. I went to floor 21. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. Nice swimming pool, jacuzzi, yeah, slide. Here we go. This is the upgraded room. We got a free upgrade with a pool view. Almost 2,000 rooms. Has two different towers of hotels. So, and then also there's a helicopter that will give you a tour of Orlando. We did that yesterday, so that was really cool. Look at this chandelier. Wow. Mariam's favorite. They have a fitness center on this tower here. That dude was over here last night. He must love swimming. And then the hot tub, this place was packed last night. Everybody was here last night. It was very, very chilly. All right, welcome to Hyatt, where the rooms are 5-digit numbers. They have over just shy of 2,000 rooms in this hotel. All right, that's us right here. Well, I'm on the wrong floor. It says floor 18 right here. I went to floor 21. I don't know what the heck I was thinking. So let's go back to floor 18. Views are very nice. Yeah, I'm on the wrong floor. I'm in 21. Nice swimming pool, jacuzzi, yeah, slide. Here we go. All right, welcome to Hyatt Orlando. This is the upgraded room. We got a free upgrade with a pool view. But let's do a quick room tour. You got place for storage. You got mini refrigerator, coffee, tea, drinks here. Nice little area to put the shopping bags, whatever you want there. We'll check out the bathroom here in a second. Ours is 2 beds and a sofa. The sofa does not open up, of course. It's just a single seater, but nice sized beds. Sitting area right here with a TV. Nice sized TV. Looks like a recently updated TV, so it looks really good. And of course, the best part about this is the view. And let me show you the view. So you get the view of the swimming pool. Let me move over here. So you get the nice view of the jacuzzi, the hot tub, the kids slide. So today is unfortunately a bit of a cloudy day. It's gonna rain for a little bit, for a couple hours. So that's why it's not busy. But this place is huge. Almost 2,000 rooms. Has 2 different towers of hotels. So very, very large hotel to be where the location is. That's where the outlet mall is. They have restaurants, stuff like that. And then also there's a helicopter that will give you a tour of Orlando. We did that yesterday, so that was really cool. But here you go. You got a bunch of game tables over there as well. So you got some foosball, checkers, chess. You got them all down there. All right, just waiting for the luggage. Let me show you the bathroom. The bathroom is outdated. It's a tub. We're not a fan of a tub. And you can tell it's an old hotel. You can see by the thermostat here, old school hotel, but they've done a great job maintaining it. So bathroom here. That's really fancy. It's got the clock right here in the mirror. And then a tub. There you go. So you can order food from the market and you can come here and eat all throughout here. They have tables all lined up here. Look at this chandelier. Wow. Mariam's favorite. Shiny object. Shiny object. So you can see people all working here, eating breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever. And then they have microwaves over there. So you can, Sada, look, they have microwaves over there. Yeah. So you can order your food and come over here and warm it up. look at all these drinks. Gotta get. Just get it. Durma, get it. Any drink you can think of, they have you covered here. They have food, snacks, they have ice cream, they have bagels, croissants. This is the main lobby area. This is where you check in for both towers. They have a fitness center on this tower here, and I'm gonna take you to a swimming pool. So that's the fitness center over there, and then they have restaurants over there as well. So this is the way you go down to a swimming pool. Now, when it comes to parking, you can do self-park versus valet. Self-park is I think like $32, and then the valet is I think like $50 or $45. So it's a difference about $15, give or take. All right, so let's check out the swimming pool. All right, so this is a swimming pool area. We were here last night, and the water is actually warm, so it's really cool. They warm it up to about 75 degrees. Towels, so you get the towels out of the machine. Big warning, don't take towels to your room because that will charge $25 per towel if they find it in your room, and they're very serious about it. So don't do that. Clean up here, and you can see pools are open till 10 p.m. and a lot of the stores, shops here are open till 5 p.m. That dude was over here last night. He must love swimming. They have the kiddie pool over here. The kiddie pool is warmed up. The water is warmed up as well. And then the hot tub. This place was packed last night. Everybody was here last night. It was very, very chilly.